Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 3D printers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Creatable D3 3D Printer. Magnetically linked joints. The D3's magnetically linked joints make maintenance, storage, and transportation easy. Nozzle swapping. The D3's easy nozzle swapping feature gives even first-time users the ability to perform routine nozzle maintenance or to replace the nozzle for different materials. At number 5 we have JG Maker Industrial Grade Large 3D Printer. Ultra-large build volume up to 500 x 400 600 mm, full enclosed structure ensures a constant temperature environment. The stable body will reduce the vibration during printing process and improves printing stability. At number 4 we have Mini 3D Printer. 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, 60-degree bevel design, more ergonomic, intuitive UI interface, guided operation for primary school students to learn in 5 minutes, printing parameters can be adjusted at any time. Silent print, less than 50 decibels, suitable for home, office, library use. At number 3 we have Flash Forge Adventurer 3 3D Printer. Minimalist, lightweight, and compact design. Auto filament feeding with an enclosed built-in filament cartridge. Nozzle, detachable, remove nozzle just in one clip, stainless steel tube material. At number 2 we have CreteBot 2 Plus. Professional grade 3D printer with large build volume of 400 mm by 300 mm by 520 mm, 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 20.5 inches. Dual extruders with hotends capable of 400 degrees Celsius allows for the use of exotic industrial grade filaments such as PEEK. At number 1 we have Mini 3D Printer. 2-color 3D printing principle, 1 nozzle and 2 feeding ports. Independent single nozzle can realize different color printing. Double extruder can enter the extruder with consumables at the same time. Choose 2 colors you like. Edit by trimming software. Choose different modes of layering. 2-color printing.